Now, Waterhouse's top 6 credentials will be tested on Sunday when they host second place Mount Pleasant Academy in the Ray and Nephew Jamaica Premier League at Drewsland. That starts at 3:30. The Waterhouse currently hold the 6th and final spot for the playoffs, but are holding off a chasing pack for the place. But staying in the top 6 after this weekend comes down to a good result against Mount Pleasant.
In terms of the top 6, we keep fighting, we keep pushing. The team is with us, the players are with us, as coaches, so we just have to continue and go.
3 points behind Waterhouse are Montego Bay United, who will play away to Portmore United at Ferdinita Park. 4th place Tivoli Gardens will travel to Stets, where they'll face Treasure Beach, who haven't lost a game since parting ways with coach Omar Wedderburn. Before the change, Treasure Beach looked a shoo-in for the relegation, but they're now holding hopes as only 5 points separate them from the drop and survival.
Belief is one of the mantras that is running throughout the veins of the club right now. We have to believe. We have to believe. Once there's an opportunity for us to come out of relegation, we're going to believe and we're going to go for it.